to the channel. In this video, we are going to explore power of webhooks in Bitrix24, both inbound and outbound webhook URL. Previous session, I will explain the inbound webhook URL. Right now, we need to discuss outbound webhook URL. This is a small but the powerful tools help you can connect a Bitrix with other systems in real-time scenarios. Let's understand how they work, their benefits, and how to set up them. First of all, you need to understand what is a webhook. A webhook is a way for the Bitrix to send or receive the data automatically when a certain events happens or occur. It helps two systems talk to each other without manual work. So, previous session I clearly explained their inbound webhook. Just overview about their inbound webhook and then jump into outbound webhook section. What is an inbound webhook? Webhook it's nothing but sending data to Bitrix. That means you send data into Bitrix from your backend or website or third party application. And one more thing, I have already explained their benefits in the previous session. Once again, recall that what are the benefits if you are using inbound webhook URL. Identify the backend fields names easily like name, email, customized fields. One more important point is what you are created in the CRM section for the customized fields, that means customized names, that customized names not stored in the backend section. The Bitrix developers can design user interface customized fields. Term names are different, that connected backend fields names are different. So we need to identify their backend fields by using the inbound webhook URL. This is a very important for you. You need to connect any external third party integration. So the most foremost benefit is connect any external form or any system like a website form or ERP software, any software. By using inbound webhook URL, we can connect easily. Create or update records like leads, deals, tasks, and contacts. Many benefits. Real-time data pushing. No need to import manually. Other benefits. Automation triggers. That means webhook can start workflows. In the previous session, I have already explained where it is inbound webhook and an outbound webhook URL. First, we go to the develop resources and then go to others. If you observe that two webhooks, inbound webhooks and outbound webhooks. Inbound webhooks, I have already explained. Whatever the data push from the external third-party applications to Bitrix CRM section, you can use inbound webhook. Coming out there, outbound webhook section. So what is an outbound webhook? Sending data from the Bitrix24. So before today's topic going to the session, if you are forgot the like and subscribe button, you must and should like and subscribe and then watch this video. This is very beneficial for your business uh, in your further implementation or further integrations. So what is outbound webhook? Sending a data from the Bitrix. That means whatever the data from the CRM or any data, if you want to transform the third party application, you can use outbound webhook URL. Previously, outside of the external application data, if you want to push by using the inbound webhook, if you want to pull the data from the Bitrix to external source, you can use the outbound webhook URL. That's it. There is no any confusion in these two sections. So once again repeat, when a specific event happens in their CRM, in their Bitrix CRM section, like a lead, deal, updated, any contact, tasks, whatever it may be. If you want to pull the data from the Bitrix to external source, you can use outbound webhook URL. Okay, you can click their outbound webhook URL. You need to external webhook URL. If you want to place this section and the token, and you can which events need to pull the data from the Bitrix, you can select your event. So a lot of events are there. If you want to CRM section, lead creator, lead updater, lead deleted. That means if any lead is created, then automatically the lead events will be pulled from the Bitrix to your destination URL. So like that, you can select your event and you can place it. What is the external URL? That means destination URL you need to place in this outbound webhook section. Then automatically the data, if that means if any event will be created in the Bitrix section, then automatically transport to your destination application. So important note, your destination application need to webhook URL. You can simply place it in the webhook section, outbound webhook section in the application token. Every application need a access token is there, as well as webhook URL is there. So you can place it in their Bitrix section. Automatically data is pulled from the Bitrix to external application. That means destination application. So benefits are useful in automation rules, can trigger external process, reduces dependency on manual checkings, data is pulled out automatically, custom business logics will build advanced workflows in your external application, connect with your external APIs like WhatsApp API or inventor tools or other financial applications. A deal is marked as an one in the Bitrix. Outbound webhook send deal details to your billing system. Invoice is generated automatically. So like that, you can pass the data. You can pull the data from the Bitrix to your destination application. That's all. I hope this session is very beneficial and increase our retention ratio, increase our return of investment by using both inbound and outbound webhook URLs. So conclusion of today's session is both inbound and outbound webhooks are very essential for automating your CRM or reducing manual work. Whether you want to push the data into the Bitrix or send out from the Bitrix, Webhooks are your go-to this solution. Try it out and connect your system in the smart way. If you have any doubts, please a, drop a message in the comment section. I I can immediately I got a notification. I checked the comments and then definitely reply your comment. So don't forget like and subscribe button. Thank you.